Hey guys, last time we talked about resonance. Now, let's see the effects of resonance.
Have you seen the video? Well, do you know what happened in that video? What causing it to happen? Let's talk about this.
Can you see the bridge oscillate? It's called the resonance. It happened when the natural frequency of the bridge are equal to the forcing frequency exerted to the bridge. The closer the forcing frequency exerted to the natural frequency, the higher the resonance, and this will causing disaster to happen. And now, let's see how the resonance affect the washing machine and how it vibrates. This is how we collect the vibration data from the washing machine by using Vibe Sensor apps from Google Play Store. Now, let's look how the washing machine vibrates. This is the data we obtained from Vibe Sensor. If you can see from the data given, the resonance occurs at 24 Hz. The frequent movement is at x-axis, which if we assert a forcing frequency near 24 Hz at x-axis, resonance will occur. Now, to avoid the resonance to happen, we have to set the forcing frequency 25% away from the natural frequency. This is how to avoid resonance to happen.
That is all from our group. Thank you for watching.